Hi,
Hi,
what's your favorite animal?
my favorite animal is a dog.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What animal do you think is the cutest?
I think kittens are the cutest.
Can you name any wild animals?
Yes, I can name a lion, tiger, and snake.
What is the most dangerous animal?
A lion is a very dangerous animal.
Do you like cats or dogs more?
I like dogs more.
Have you ever seen a tiger?
No, I have never seen a tiger.
Which animal is the smartest?
Dolphins are very smart animals.
Have you ever been to zoo?
Yeah, I have been to zoo many times.
Do you know any interesting facts about animals?
Yes, dolphin can live up to 60 years.
Can you name 3 farm animals?
Yes, a cow, a sheep, and a chicken.
Do you like big animals or small animals?
I like small animals more.
Where do fish live?
Fish live in water.
Can you name a fast animal?
A cheetah is a fast animal.
Which animal has a long neck?
A giraffe has a long neck.
Do you like watching animals on TV?
Yes, I like watching animals on TV.
What animal has big ears and a long trunk?
An elephant has big ears and a long trunk.
Do you know any animals that can fly?
Yes, birds can fly.
What animal do you think is very slow?
A snail is a very slow animal.
Do you like wild animals?
Yes, I like wild animals.
Which animals live in cold places?
Penguins and polar bears live in cold places. Now, can I ask you questions?
Yeah, of course.
Is a lion big or small?
A lion is big.
Do dogs like to swim?
Yes, some dogs like to swim.
Where do elephants live?
Elephants live in the jungle.
Do birds have 4 legs?
No, birds have 2 legs.
What color is a zebra?
A zebra is black and white.
Where do penguins live?
Penguins live in cold places.
Is a snake long or short?
A snake is long.
Can a horse jump?
Yes, a horse can jump.
Can a parrot talk?
Yes, some parrots can talk.
Do bears sleep in winter?
Yes, bears sleep in winter.
Is a shark dangerous?
Yes, a shark is dangerous.
Is a tiger bigger than a cat?
Yes, a tiger is much bigger than a cat.
Do dolphins live in the sea?
Yes, dolphins live in the sea.
Is a bear stronger than a wolf?
Yes, a bear is stronger than a wolf.
Do monkeys eat bananas?
Yes, monkeys like to eat bananas.
Okay, I should to go. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.